Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your GitHub account. In order to log in into your GitHub account, first thing first, make sure that you've already registered. Unless and until if you have not registered, you'll not be able to log in. So then to begin with, you know the drill, check your internet connection, open up a web browser, and on the web address bar, type in www.github.com. Don't worry about the link, you can also find a link on my description box below. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to the profile page or the official site. On this page, you can see in the upper right hand side corner there are two different options. So if you don't have an account, click on sign up and register for a GitHub account. And if you already have an account, click on the sign in button. As soon as you click on the sign in button, you'll be taken to the login interface where you'll be asked to provide in your user ID or an email address and then a password to log in into your account. So quickly enter in this information, click on the sign in button. If the provided information seems to be valid enough, you'll be logged in. However, for some reason, if you're unable to log in, you can simply change your password by tapping on forgot password, and as soon as you click on the link, you'll be instructed on how you can recover your account. So in this way, you can log in into your GitHub account online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.